this is a lightsaber I'm going to be listing. This is a Korbanth lightsaber. So this is their V2 version of the K4. This has actually been installed by Korbanth themselves with a Plectolabs Crystal Focus 10. So that's the latest Plectolabs board with smooth swing and everything on it. Because it's the version 2, so it's got bigger internal, so it's got a 28mm bass speaker. It's set up on Neopixel, so it comes with a Neopixel blade plug. It comes with this plaque, and it comes with its box. It doesn't come with this stand. I can include the blade. I'm going to probably list it with the blade. If you don't want the blade, I'll knock £100 off, but this is the blade that was built for this lightsaber by Korbanth, so it's a perfect fit for it. So with the Plectolabs soundboards, they have deep sleep, but for the purpose of shipping it, I'm going to ship it with a kill key. So that's also your recharge port.
Surely we can be civilized about this.
So it's got LEDs inside. When you're changing the sound fonts and stuff like that, it'll light up. You can see it through the clamp card as well. So yeah, the new clamp card, it's got the graphics on the clamp card. So this is not the version 1 K4 that was done by Parks. I've got a funny feeling this was actually done by 89 Sabres, but don't quote me on that. So also this has been weathered. They've done a really good job on the weathering. So all this has been weathered. It's a Neopixel blade plug it comes with. Also the new pommel. It's vented around the outside. It's extremely loud, this lightsaber. So you also, with this, I think there's about 32 sound fonts I've put onto it. So it's got some of the original ones plus quite a few extras. And with this board you can have pre-ons. So you'll have a boot up, where you have a font, boot up, and then when you go to ignite the saber, it'll do a pre-on, so it'll do some talking, and you can also have pre-offs. So after the saber's gone down, I'll show you what I mean. So
Our guests have arrived. Let the negotiations begin.
smooth swing. Nice to look up. You get voice on the blasters as well. And then also then on the power down.
You're wasting your time.
With a pre-on. So I'm going to put the blade in now. So it's got a small blade retention just there. So it's got quite a really deep blade depth for a thin neck. It's the deepest blade depth I've ever seen. I don't know if the camera's picking up very well, but it goes in really far. So it goes in to there. Normally they only go into about there. So I've been putting magnet ones on my new builds, but this one hasn't got it. But I didn't install this. It's installed by Korbanth, but this doesn't need it. I mean, the blade's in there nice and tight. Sits in very well.
You can't win. Let the negotiations begin.
It's got quite a bit of a flick on this. I mean, I'll just show you it. So I don't think the blaster gets picked up very well on this camera. So with the Plectolabs, the blaster, it just does it in certain places on the blade randomly, which is really cool. It's an awesome looking effect. So with this board, you don't need to be a programmer like you do with the Profis. You literally take the SD card out, do all the settings on the SD card. You can change literally everything: blade colours, shimmers, all sorts of stuff. So then if you hold down the auxiliary button,
Sound bank selection.
it goes
This is General Kenobi.
into sound banks, and then you can
Audio player.
So audio player, you've got music, there's a few music ones in there.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
Revolt. The Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Only a Sith deals in absolutes.
I'm never touching that thing again.
I am a Jedi. Like my father. This is General Kenobi.
Darth Vader.
It is not my time to die.
I've been trained in your Jedi arts.
At last we will have our revenge. It is obvious that this contest cannot be decided by our knowledge of the Force. Traitor!
Nightfall.
Crystal focus.
Nebula.
Shadow. The Force Unleashed 2. Camino. The Old Republic. Crucible. The Old Republic. Malign.
Youngling.
This is General Kenobi.
And back to the beginning. So then once you selected it, you hold down the auxiliary,
Hello there.
and then it'll do a boot up, and then there's different boot ups as well. So I'll put it on something different.
Sound bank selection.
This is General.
Youngling.
The Old Republic. The Old
You can go up and down, so
The Force. Shadow.
Nebula.
Crystal focus.
Nightfall.
Traitor! It is obvious that at last we will have.
I've been trained in your Jedi arts. Talk away. I will deal with this Jedi slime myself.
I might pick up the. So that's about it, really. Yeah, it's an amazing board. Really is an amazing board. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.